Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up sales tax in Square. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Square dashboard and how to turn on the correct tax settings so your sales are calculated accurately. Start by opening your Square dashboard and landing on the Home view. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first so you can access your business settings. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. You're looking for the option labeled Settings. This is where Square centralizes most account and payment configuration, so it's the right place to begin. Click Settings, then open Account and Settings. This section controls foundational details for your business, including payments. Next, select Payments. This is where the tax tools live. Inside Payments, click Taxes. You'll see options to set up and manage your tax rules, along with any existing taxes you may have configured in the past. Now choose Set up your taxes. Square will guide you through a short, on-screen process. Follow the prompts carefully until your tax is added. Typically, you'll be asked to name your tax, choose the location or jurisdiction it applies to, and enter the tax rate. Use a clear name like state sales tax or city tax, so it's easy to recognize on receipts and in reports. If your business has multiple locations, double-check the location selector at the top of your dashboard to make sure you're applying the tax to the correct place. You'll also see options to decide how the tax is applied. You can usually set it to apply to all applicable sales by default, or limit it to specific items or categories, if your products include tax in the sticker price. Choose an inclusive setting where available. Otherwise, keep it as an added tax on top of the price. If your region requires multiple taxes, such as state and local, you can add them one by one and ensure they're both active. Before you finish, review your entries for accuracy. Confirm the rate, confirm the name, and confirm whether it should be applied automatically at checkout. When everything looks right, save your changes. After saving, it's a good idea to run a quick test transaction or preview an order to verify the tax appears correctly on the subtotal and receipt. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, opened Account and Settings, gone into Payments, selected Taxes, set up your taxes, and completed the on-screen prompts. Your sales tax is now ready to go in Square.